If you had a beer factory, could you manage? Budweiser presents The Bud Factory, a social game with platform to Facebook and Orkut that you can manage your own Budweiser factory. The intention is to present the beer culture to the brand's fans, showing all Budweiser's work and dedication to produce a genuine product. Get to know and execute the entire production process, including barley plantation. Developing your own factory and achieving the goals, your beer gets more consumers and spreads the production. The 5 biggest virtual beer makers will have the opportunity to work at Budweiser's factory as a beer master, making several changes on the traditional recipes of beers, adding ingredients, or only controlling its doses. Do you want more? The best beer will be produced and distributed to the whole country. Budweiser, the great American lager.